Alright you guys, I'm Carrie, and in this video I'll be reacting to another Barney with bad words video. This is 4 seasons that fuck with nature, and this one was also re-uploaded by Young B. Again, these were originally uploaded by somebody called the Barney Pooper, but that channel got deleted a while ago, so all these videos that I'm watching are re-uploads. That being said, let's get started. Jam into the Barney theme song. He always says that. What's up, motherfuckers?
I might need all of this shit because this is 4 Seasons Day.
Barney, I've never heard of 4 Seasons Day before.
Well, that's because I smoked 124 pounds of weed when I made this shit of a holiday. 2 days of your holiday, a joyous fucking holiday, a day that fucks with nature. Okay, the first part of 4 Seasons Day is spring. Let's all take a big shit on the ground.
Oh my god. That actually kind of represents spring, I'm not gonna lie. Because all of like the dog poop that people just buried in snow in the winter suddenly reveals itself in the spring, so there's shit all over the ground.
That's nice.
And birds make their nests in trees, and there are baby birds who sing for sex.
And sometimes
That is also true. Well, not the babies, but mostly birds sing for sex,
really
that is correct.
raining.
Seaman,
We're going to get wet.
I can help with that.
That seems a little drastic, Barney. Don't want to get wet? Why don't we just blow up the world?
Okay, let's go. Get the fuck out of my way! Fucking bitch. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is fucking. He went to bed and fucked his bitch and couldn't get up in the morning. If it never ever rained again,
Yeah?
we'd have a really fucking hard time getting clean. If it never ever rained again, if it never ever rained again, I do declare I couldn't wash my balls if it never ever rained again.
Barney has yet to discover a shower. Maybe he can't fit in the shower because he's too big.
I need water in a pail to wash my cock if it never
Never rained again. If it never ever rained again. If it never ever rained again.
I couldn't wash my cock, couldn't wash my balls, couldn't wash my ass or anywhere. See what I mean? I couldn't get
That sounds really good. Like, it really sounds like what he's saying.
clean if it never
Never ever rained again.
I wish we had some sunscreen lotion to protect our skin from the sun.
I've got lots of sunscreen lotion right here. Hey, get caught sunners and have some. And go fuck yourself in hell.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please
Shit!
down on me.
Oh my god, that song just unlocked a memory. I forgot about that song.
Sun, Mr. Golden Sun,
Fuck!
behind a tree.
Fucking behind the tree. Who's he fucking?
Asking you to please come
That
so we can
boy is so young.
Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please
Shit!
down on me.
I know a game we can play that's about the sounds of summer.
Really? Oh my heck. Let's go.
Now just sit down over there.
Okay.
It's now I'll make some sounds that you hear in the summer. And you try to guess what sound I'm making, okay?
Okay, sounds good. Sounds great.
Okay, here's the first summer sound. Here we go. Oh, ready, set, and go! Boy, 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 boy.
You're something, Barney. You're something.
sure. Farming is a fun thing to do in the summer, but it did make me just a little fucking tired.
Oh, please, Barney, don't you know at least one more summer sound we can do?
Oh, sure I do. And you don't even have to guess what it is. It's a poem.
I like poems. Me too.
Oh boy,
In summer,
let's hear
when
Barney's
budgets
poem.
are hot, I like to find a shady spot. Fun. One little leaf so bright and gay fought a tree one nice fall day. The wind came blowing round and round, and the last little leaf came tumbling down. The last little leaf came fucking down. No. Let's see.
Fucking leaf, you missed your cue.
Last fucking leaf came motherfucking down.
Oh my god, that was very pixelated.
Fucking
But I am connected
We better
to
clean
the
it up,
Wi-Fi,
right,
so
Barney?
I guess that is just the quality of the video. Or maybe my connection's not good, but at least I'm actually connected to Wi-Fi this time and not using
Right.
data.
So
That's a win in my opinion.
line up. Present arms. Take notes. One for you, and one for you, and one for you, and one for you, and one for me. Winter's here, it's so near. The air is cold and queer. Snow is here, trees are here. It's that time of year. I love to find the icicles, the great big snowflakes too. 'Cause it's the
Your dick's gonna get really cold, Barney.
special things to do.
fuck. Hello again to all my bitches. I'm glad you came to fun.
I think
Here's what we did.
That was the first time he called us his bitches in this video. Or he said anything about his bitches, so that took
Today
a
was
while.
just full of surprises because it was Four Seasons Day, the day that fucks with nature. Why don't you look outside, then color a picture of your season? Have fun looking like a dumbass. And remember, no matter what season of the year it is, there's one thing that never changes. Fuck you.
Fuck you. Remember, there's one thing that never changes. Fuck you. Let's take a look at what our season looks like out there. So, it is summer, but what you can see, we've got some clouds and some smoke from the wildfires. Very beautiful time of year. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Link to the, well, not the original video, because like I said, it got removed many years ago, but the link to this video that I reacted to and the channel that re-uploaded, which is Young B, will be in the description. As always, hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.